what's up guys? So today we are making my first video about, well, not the first video, but we're making more videos about all these disturbances. Invest 91, 2, I think there's not Invest 93l yet, but we're just watching that. And so let's first look at disturbance number 1. See, it's very disorganized still, so there's not really meant to be any major development. Like, it's still very disorganized, so it's not gonna like strengthen into a hurricane or else. But we can go through all of our models here, and we're just gonna look if they think that it's gonna affect land at all. Or I guess just the contiguous United States. Okay. Oh wow, that's a pretty good extratropical cyclone right there. Ooh. Something starts to form right there, but no, it doesn't show any effect on land, or maybe I'm just too far forward. That's not okay. Yeah, it shows nothing happening. Maybe if we would go to the Atlantic, it might show something happening. Like, okay, already in 72 hours, you already see some formation of hurricanes. That one just goes straight up and dies. But then look at how many other storms there are. There are 2 disturbances, and then one absorbs the other one, comes right back down, and then goes straight back up. What? Is done. And okay, that looks like we might get a derecho form. You can see a little hint at a derecho potentially forming. Oh boy! That's a pretty thick hurricane right there. Oh, and there's another hurricane right there. You know what? Let's just go to our current storm thingies. Remnants of Omar. It's dead, I'm pretty sure. I'm 90% sure that it's dead. Oh no, there is 93l. Okay. There's not 91l anymore though. 91l is done. You can see most of them don't show it going to land anytime soon. Some of them say it reaching Category 1 status, and not all of them show it reaching tropical storm status even. 93l, all of them say it's going to reach tropical storm status, but it's not looking organized. None of them are looking too organized, so yeah. Yeah, there's not really going to be much. So there's a ton of disturbances, but there's not much like craziness that's about to go on. Julio, if you didn't know, Julio is actually Nana. So I'm guessing another low pressure system merged with the remnants of Nana to create Tropical Storm Julio. So that's pretty neat. And there's 4 disturbances, so and there's not really meant to be any major developments within the next 2 days, like maybe a depression will form right there, but probably not much else.